this video, I'll show you how you can fix the NVIDIA app is not working. The first thing we want to try is come here and search for services. In here, click anywhere and press N until you find NVIDIA. Now you should have 3 of these, and what you want to do on each one is you want to double click, set it to automatic, make sure it's running, so press start if it says stopped, and press apply. You want to do this on all of them. And once you've done that on all of them, what you want to do is you want to right click each one and restart, right click, restart, right click, restart. Now once you've done this, you want to check if it works now. If it still doesn't work, come here and search for device manager, open it up, open display adapters, right click your GPU and update driver, search automatically and make sure you have the best one. After that, you want to head over to Google, search for GeForce drivers, go to the official page, and in here you want to scroll down and you want to type in the exact one that you have, and you can find that from in here. Start the search and make sure you download the latest driver from here as well. Now once you made sure that you have the latest driver both here and from the website, it should hopefully work. There are some things that we can still try if it's still not working, and one of them is we want to come here and search for run, type in temp. In here you want to delete everything. If this pops up, just check this one and skip. These files we don't need to delete, so just skip these and see if it works now. Now, as a last resort, what you can do is you can search for Windows Update and try and take the latest update. And if it still doesn't work after that, what you can do is you can restart your PC, check if it works now. And if for some reason it's not working, you want to head over to Apps and Features, simply uninstall the NVIDIA app, and then you want to head over to Google and reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.